Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for pressing this video. And I'm hurrying up because I'm going to meet up with my girls, Clara and Kim, today, and we're going to just have girls' day, you know. It might be a short of a vlog, but I just want to keep this as memory and just rewatch it again and again later on. So I'm leaving and it's what, 3:28, and I'm going to leave at 3:30. So let's go and enjoy the montage. And yeah, love you guys. And this is the outfit for today. Maybe I can do a quick proper outfit of the day. Okay, yeah. So don't mind the room. Here is the black tube top. Don't know where it's from. This baggy jeans is from Ukay Ukay. I have no idea where it's from. 50 pesos only. And then shoes, which is Jordans, I believe. Yes, you. Yes, you. Like that. And then my dad's jacket, which is his basketball team. Squad name is Night Squad. So that's their team. I'm going to wear it for today. So yeah, and then my bag. It was a gift from my 18th birthday. That's the OOTD. And enjoy the montage. Okay.
So guys, mga basang sisiw.
Yes. Hello. Hi guys.
Hi vlog.
Hey vlog.
Ang team po ng YouTube.
So, naligo po kami, no?
Sana nagkotse naman talaga ako, promise.
Oo, sana nag-drive ko na lang, no?
Ang team po ngayon ni Carla is, sa YouTube channel is Basang Sisiw.
Kayong lahat, basa nga din, no? Look at Kim. Oh, social naman, oh. Nagramin nagi. Woot. Wala sila sa mood. We were looking for Genki sushi, but wala. So, we're now here in Ramenagi. So, no choice. Hi!
Mukha talagang basang sisiw.
So cute naman, oh. Good boy.
There's another basang sisiw.
Ayan, oh.
Welcome to my hometown.
Yes, Ateneo! Asan ID mo, be?
Scan.
Oh. Proud yard. What did we order na noodles?
Ano nga ba?
Thick and hard. Joke.
Do you like your noodles thick and hard?
Sabi ni Kim kanina, Coke. Coke.
Uy, what if mag-kiddie meal tayo? Para doon sa car.
Tatap na may car.
Tapos nilaro natin yung ang laki pala mo, Ben.
I told you. It's very big. Wow, nandito na.
So guys, ito po yung bill natin.
Yes, that's our bill. My God.
That's just 100 for 3 people.
It's cheap. And basta. Wow. Gusto.
Wala. Patingin nga ng paper mo.
Guys, guess what? Who we saw?
Raz and Miana.
Yeah, pero nahiya kami mag-picture. We saw them in Daiso first. Like in the entrance. Tapos, nahiya kami.
May ang mura.
Magkano?
For 7 items, it's 500 pesos lang.
Oh, and she bought 3 notebooks.
three pencils, 2 ball pens, 1 sticky chuchu. Oh, diba?
Tapos 500 lahat?
Ha?
500 lahat?
Oo.
Sa office warehouse?
Here tayo, no?
Oh, uwi na si Clara.
Here si Clara. Ako din may assignment.
Have deadlines? Kasi sa labas siya. Ang galing.
Ano lang siya? Kalad ka ring area.
Yun nga eh.
Isang aya ko lang, oo, na din yan. Diba? Mati ako eh.
We love that type of friend.
Tapos, uy, baka madala mo yung payong ko ah. Don't worry.
Don't worry, she'll bring it.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Ba't yun sa bahay ka na lang matulog? Ay, true. Kasi tanong mo, sasabihin mo. Kasi naulan, tapos kasi padrop na lang kita bukas kay Ilo.
Pwede.
Diba?
Pwede.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll ask.
Kasi sa bahay lang naman tayo.
Contrabasti, tapos mag-urban.
Uy, be, tama na. Masyado ako lang nasukan nung nasa G-side ako.
Anyways, I will ask my parents. Okay, bye guys. Hello, update. We are in Belgian Waffles. And look at my... They are very serious for today's video.
Kasi wala pa kami mabook.
Yun nga eh.
Stranded.
Patay yung isa hindi. Oh, wala. Sino ka-chat mo, be?
Secret.
Hala, wala siyang marinig. Wow. Wow, sino kaya yun, be? Wala, tuwan-tuwa. So, what's your order, guys, from Belgian Waffle? Mine?
Were you about to say Dubai?
No.
There's like, what order nyo?
Kaka-order lang, be. Uwing-uwi na siya.
Hindi, ang bango kasi.
I know, right? What's your order? Because my order is strawberry cream cheese. What's yours? What's yours? Ako daw.
What if I want? Ayoko nga.
Natry mo na ba yan?
Yeah.
Ano order mo?
I've tried cream cheese, blueberry cream cheese.
Masarap.
Tsaka yung choco banana.
Same. Haven't tried. It's yummy. That's also Anne's order.
Sure. And guys, tawang-tawa si Kyla. Ano, porket bulag lang ako, hayop ka. Hinahanap ko yung ano. Saan? Ay, ayun. Putang ina. This is how I called Kyla nung Feb? No, January, when I came back.
Okay guys, I was sleeping, okay? Then I got a call from Kim. I was like, my phone's here. Who's this? How cute! Carla! Oh, what happened?
What's the reason? Secret.
Secret!
Anong sasay mo? It's 10 o'clock. We've been here since 8.
May biker na. Tapos pag wala siyang kape. Eddie, I'm wet. Super wet.
Anong sasay mo?
Wow.
Mag-iingat kayo. Ay! Wait! Hindi ko kaya!
Wow! Alis na siya!
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh!
Ingat kayo!
Time update!
Yes!
Okay.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye! Love you!
Wak!
Bye-bye!
Bye, ingat! Tapos na siyang kapote, no? Awit!
Bye!
Ulan yan pagkasakay. Guys, I swear, pwede naman pala mag-drive UP hanggang Mexico. Tangina naman doon.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Hey guys, update. We are now in me and Kim's bonding
Someone
place,
said kasi na ano.
Seattle.
Sabi ko kasi kay Kuya sa tribe, Kuya, pababa na lang po sa pier. Maglalakad po kami papuntang bahay. Sabi ko kay Carla, gusto ko mag-Seattle. Oo.
Oo, ganti. Because I know Kim didn't enjoy the coffee earlier.
I
So,
didn't finish.
yeah.
Was it worth the 89 pesos?
85.
It was 89.
89. Uy. And now we got this mine. Latte. Sorry. Uy. Magalit ka ba? Tapos mahigop ako ng plastic.
Ano yan? Latte?
Yeah.
How do you know?
There. Oh, may pangalan. Baliw ka ba?
Guys, may problema ngayon.
Oh my, ba't may flash? Ano? Ano?
Hindi ko nakalo.
Ganda naman tayo sa halo.
Kanina ko pa pinaproblema yung halo. Legit.
Even the last time you were here, you couldn't mix the white chocolate mocha.
Pati yung sa Wendy's kanina, ayaw mag-mix. Sino? 3 times ko siya minix, ayaw mag-mix.
I know, right?
Sabi
So
ni
Clara just mixed it for you.
Kung ayaw niyang i-spill,
Oh, so bitter.
I do this.
Wow. Hacks.
Pero hindi siya tumalsik dun.
Hacks.
Happy na naman. Di ba magpapalpitit dito?
You popped it?
Yeah, I did. Last week.
But I get hyper when I have too much coffee.
Sige. Huwag mo itataas yung straw. Push mo down.
Peso pa nito.
Oh, my chips.
Sarap no.
Kami.
Hindi ko na-mix eh. Masarap yung ganito.
And then mine is so better. Wait.
Wait, yung kay Clara.
What?
Alcohol.
But it's better. Because you remove the dirt.
The dirt.
Kahit na may banyo dyan. Ayun, nag-message na si Clara.
Okay, so, Clara, di ba, 2 hours tayo naghintay, sabi na, ba't ko nag-try tayo? Sabi, Quezon City. Tapos kung tayo, pwedeng pumuntahan. Pucha, tinanong di Kayla, pwede po bang, ano, tinanong di Kayla, pwede bang mag-ino, yung ito mag-ino. Oo, pwede, QC naman eh, kung nagdalawang oras na tayo.
Grabe, I cannot believe we're here.
I can't believe na pwede mag-try. Is it good? Yeah. Ito yung naging breakfast ko. Every Monday lang.
Hey guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so bad that I'm starting to update video. What? I'm starting this video without Kim. She went out to pee, but for sure she'll come up now. But like, it's already 12:13, 14 para. And we're home. Happy daw. Dinner date lang. Kain-kain lang. Tapos uwi. Ano oras na? 12! Ang galing. Tapos ayun pala, pwede mag-tricycle. The whole time we were just looking for Grab, me and Kim, because my mom allowed me to stay over here. Obviously, look, I'm here now. And no one's accepting the request. So, then, yun pala. There's APs. And yun pala, pwede mag-tricycle. Lord. Okay guys, I will kill the EPs. See this? Ay, nawala. It's down? It's all the way there now. Okay lang mo. Malinis na sa baba.
No! It's not okay!
You said it's okay?
No!
You can just watch the clip and you said okay.
I regret that. I take that back. I really do.
Where? All the way there.
I'm gonna scream.
Wala Bes, nawala siya.
Are you sure?
Green, bro. Are you, bro? Come out, bro.
Can you put it outside the door?
Go out there.
Spray it with the alcohol. That's what I do. You scared me kasi when you threw it. No, that scared me. When you said it's somewhere there, I'm like, let's check the fan. The fan! Oh, wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Kuha na.
Scared the shit out of me, bro.
Anyways, I feel like